안녕하세요, 에리즈 키친 친구분들. Today I will share a shrimp-tastic recipe called KeuRim SaeU in Korean. Before we start cooking, thank you for all of your suggestions about how to chase away animals from our garden in my last video. I will try your tips next year if we plant sweet corns again. By the way, this is what I saw and harvested from our garden recently. And look at this cute watermelon, 수박. I seriously didn't expect it would get this big. It is so amazing to grow all these fresh veggies at home. Do you have a garden or want to have one? If so, which vegetable is your favorite choice to plant next year? Maybe we can garden together? Okay, let's go back to the kitchen. Prepare the shrimp, 새우. Peel off the shells, 껍질, and remove tails, 꼬리, from the shrimp. Add a Korean frying mix, 튀김가루, cornstarch, 전분가루, the salt, 소금, and the ice water, 얼음물, to a mixing bowl. Mix everything together. The consistency should be like this. Now add the shrimp into the batter and mix it well. Preheat your deep frying cooking oil, 식용유. When the cooking oil is ready, a little drop of batter will float 1 second after it is dropped in. One by one, put all the shrimp into the oil and fry them on medium-high. After 4 minutes, the shrimp will be nicely fried. Take out all the fried shrimp and set them on a paper towel for a while. To make them crispier, we are going to fry them one more time. Let's make a really awesome sauce that will make them even tastier. So put the mayonnaise, the sugar, 설탕, the lemon juice, the vinegar, 식초, and the minced garlic, 다진 마늘 into a pan. Cook the sauce for a minute or two on medium-low. It is important not to overcook the sauce on higher temperature. Refry the shrimp on medium-high. 2 minutes later, take out all the fried shrimp and add the shrimp into the sauce. Mix everything gently and make sure that they are coated evenly with the sauce. For an appetizing dish, get the shredded iceberg lettuce, 양상추. We also need few half slices of lemon. On a large plate, place the lemon slices in a circle look like a flower, 꽃. Put the iceberg lettuce in the center of the flower. Then, put all the shrimp on the lettuce. Finally, sprinkle some dried parsley over the shrimp. Please try this delicious KeuRim SaeU recipe someday, and if you do, take some pictures and share them with me on Instagram or Facebook because I love to see your food pictures. 오세요. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.